I love it every time I get a Woodshop bomb or a Shams bomb on Twitter because it just shows how crazy the NBA is. Not with them releasing this information, but I do love how the NBA offseason, maybe not this year as compared to years past, but there's always something that happens. You're just like, what? Okay, let's move on. And it changes the landscape of the NBA. Up against the clock, one final segment here on Sportsnet 650. Get to a little bit of notes, of course, and maybe some other topics as well as we round up the show. You're listening to Rintoul and Sermon. Jamie Dodd in for Scott Rintoul on Sportsnet 650.
Welcome home, where it's all about the right place.
To let you know the minute glucose is too high or too low, and it's covered by most private insurers. Learn more at freestylelibre.ca. The Freestyle Libre 2 flash glucose monitoring system is indicated for measuring interstitial fluid glucose levels in people aged 40 years and older with diabetes mellitus. Always read and follow the label.
Curated, ready-to-cook recipes each week, using fresh, local ingredients and delivered directly to your door.
Hallelujah! Let's make good food, everyone.
Order meal kits and groceries at makegoodfood.ca. Certain conditions apply. Gun violence has risen in recent years across Canada. Shootings have become more common. Many Canadians